Hello, so I'm Shane Lewis. I'm a tennis coach based in Mid Wales. I also coach Brecon Integrated Sports, and yeah, I'm going to show you a few skills today, little things you can do at home, and hope you guys enjoy. So our first session, I've just got two random tins. I'm going to put one on one side and put one on the other side of me, like that. I'm simply going to roll the ball. And this can be done in the inside, it can be done anywhere. So it can be done in your living room if you've got the space. All you're doing is rolling it between, and you're getting your child would be me, and they're trying to get to the side, and they're going to try and move to the other side, and it becomes a bit more fun and you can make them move a bit further. So I'm stretching out there to get the ball, and this is the first exercise, nice and simple. So I'm actually getting myself to move around one side of the ball, so that's like in tennis terms, that'll be a backhand and forehand. It's also good for coordination for the children as well. That's our first exercise done.